Did you feel lonely or isolated when you just moved to the state? Yes. And even though when you have family with you, you're still gonna feel, you know, a little bit lonely, because it's not the culture here is different. And as I said in one of my other video on the live, you know, you could be living right here and your neighbor is like right here, and you definitely don't know who that person is. Or if you do say hi one or two times, that's it, because everybody is just driving into their garage, you know, exiting, and that's it. So you're not really having that much, you know, interaction outside of work. You'll go to work and yeah, you spend what, 12 hours at work, and that was it. And then by the time you leave, you go home, it's just you and your family, or just you alone if you're the only person that shows up here. So you tend to feel a little bit lonely and isolated, because then you have to remember you're learning, you know, about the culture and everything. So you might go and say something